Naniniwala ka ba by chance na biglang tatakbo si Chris Aquino sa nalalapit na election sa 2022 Philippine National Elections? Will it be a yes or no? Hi everybody, my name is Anthony, and in this video, we will be discussing 5 reasons why Chris Aquino might run for president of the Philippines and might be the successor of Rodrigo Duterte. So before anything else, I would like to extend my condolences to the first family, the Aquino family, due to the passing of Benigno Aquino III, or kilala po natin bilang si Pinoy. So RIP po, and yes, once again, condolences to the family of Ninoy Benigno Aquino III. So going back to the main topic, we will now start the discussion. So wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Let's begin with the first discussion. So number 1 reason bakit si Chris Aquino ay tatakbo bilang President of the Philippines is because she already has a plan. So even before, Chris Aquino was interviewed by several journalists in several occasions na she has been thinking, or meron siyang plan na tatakbo talaga to a certain public seat. So nabanggit niya po noon na tatakbo siya maybe in her province, maybe sa Manila, or maybe in a national seat sa upcoming elections. Malay natin, this 2022, bigla po siyang mag-file ng kanyang COC to run. Malay natin din na as a president and as a standard bearer for the Liberal Party. We may now proceed sa second na reason. So ito yung all about Chris Aquino's strong or very strong political family background. Why? Because unang-una sa lahat, Chris Aquino's father was a former senator. Ito po si Ninoy Aquino. So yung mother din ni Chris Aquino became the first woman president of the Philippines noong 1986. And her family became prominent nung time na yon. Tapos 2010, si Pinoy naman ang nanalo bilang the President of the Philippines. So, tatlo sa kanyang immediate members of the family became or rose to prominence in the Philippine politics. Kaya naman, this will be her or one of her strongest points and reasons and backgrounds for her to file for candidacy. Mag-file siya ng certificate of candidacy as the future president sa 2022. Kaya it will not be really a surprise for me if she will file a COC for a public position, given that she has a very strong political support system. Hindi lang ang kanyang immediate family, andyan si Bam Aquino na former senator. Ayan. So these are the strongest points, one of her strongest points na magsusupport sa kanya to run for a public seat. Number 3, ito is all about yung affiliation ni Chris Aquino sa Liberal Party. And speaking of Liberal Party, Aquino family has a very deep connection with the Liberal Party way back pa nung dekada 80. So since 1980s, makikita nyo na yung Liberal Party is one of the dominating political parties here in the Philippines. Makikita natin na ang pinaka-obvious na symbol ng Liberal Party is yung color yellow. So ayan po yung nakikita natin kapag mga color yellow is affiliated sa mga Aquino family. Ayan po, kaya sa minsan sa mga special occasions, naka-yellow evening gown si Chris Aquino, or with a touch of yellow sa kanyang mga OOTDs. Sa mga kanyang special occasions, makikita nyo na may yellow touch of yellow sa kanyang mga wardrobes. Makikita nyo din yung mga presence ni Chris Aquino sa mga iba't ibang events ng Liberal Party all over the Philippines. Aside from mga events, meron din yung mga programs kung saan nakikita natin si Chris Aquino na naandoon. Especially during campaign period kapag mga election. So, andyan siya to support the Liberal Party. In relation with the third reason, yung pang-fourth reason is that LP Liberal Party is still or is yet to search for the right person to represent this particular political party to run for the president. Marami tayong nakikita na personalities from LP na mag-represent sa kanila para pantapat sa representative ng administration. And Chris Aquino might fit for that description. Why? Because syempre nasa kanya na ang political support, malawak ang kanyang political background, malakas ang kanyang influence, and she is really fit for that position if ever man na napapayag siya or if ever man na mag-decide siya. Isa siya sa mga best choices for the LP to run for the president this incoming elections. At ito naman ang pang-fifth reason. Ito ang kanyang influence. Kaya ang pang-fifth reason natin is Chris Aquino is a consistent and a huge all-media influencer. So, mapa-social media man yan, yung mainstream media, she is really popular. So, kumbaga sa mga commercials as an artist, well, bilang artista, siya ang isa sa mga pinaka maraming ine-endorse na product. Why? Because alam nila na yung credibility niya as an endorser has one of the greatest values or greatest trust sa mga consumers. That's why isa siya sa mga consistent na top endorsers ng different products all over the Philippines, pati yung mga abroad na parang siya yung na-feature na nadadub lang ng ibang countries yung language nila. And for this reason, she has an ultimate impact sa mga mamamayan if ever na tatakbo siya tatakbo as a president. Kaya being a social or all media, queen of all media, will help her become one of the most popular candidates in the Philippines to run for the president of the Philippines. And if ever man na tatakbo siya, talagang super laki ang kanyang influence. Meron din siyang YouTube channel, meron din siyang sariling shows, and consistent yung kanyang mga programs in different TV stations or even sa mga movies. Pag nag-appear siya, pumapatok talaga yung kanyang mga movies. So, hindi talaga siya basta-basta na political figure if ever man na mag-transition siya as the queen of all media to the queen of politics. Kaya, she really fits the description as the main standard bearer for LP, Liberal Party. And speaking of which, she will be also the perfect fit as the main opposite of Sara Duterte if ever man na si Sara Duterte rin ang magde-decide kung talagang sure na siya as the next successor for the President of the Philippines. Kaya, these are the 5 possible reasons kung bakit si Chris Aquino ay tatakbo bilang the President of the Philippines this coming 2022 elections. Kaya you can comment your reactions, your suggestions, anything under the sun. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.